click on my video. But if you are watching me first time, let me tell you, through this channel I upload my real talks regarding goal or my progress or whatever I am learning to improve my English speaking. I share here. I am not a fluent speaker, which you can also observe. I started, but I started speaking a little every day. I know consistency is key. That's why I created this channel and I'm sharing it. Okay. So in my today's video, let me tell you the time. It's 7 p.m. in evening, and I decided to record this video. Today's day was very hectic and busy. I know I actually there was Viva in my college and I was there. And if you are going to participate in any examination or Viva, it does not mean that how you already prepared, but whole day or till the Viva completed, until the Viva completed, then you feels like relax. And right now I'm feeling relaxed. That's why I decided to record this video in this time. Okay, so in my today's video, let me tell you one thing very important, that many people's feels shy when it comes to speaking in English. Okay, we all speak in our native language a lot. We all try to answer in our native language, but when it comes to speak in English, we hesitates a lot. We makes mistakes a lot. But I know we all are learning since our school. A lot of grammars, a lot of vocabularies, we all know. But if you don't know, but the basic sentence structure, etc., these things to start speaking, we all know, but still we hesitate. This is why I am here practicing to improve my English speaking. English is quite good, my English is quite good, but still I am practicing to get fluency in English speaking. A little every day will absolutely makes a big improvement in my confidence and my fluency. I am practicing. Okay, let me tell you again one thing very important, that mistakes. I also makes a lot of mistake, which you may also, which you would also observe. But what if I make embarrassing every time? But I don't feel embarrassed and I don't want to regret it a lot, because there are a lot of mistake, and how many times should I say sorry for this? So in my one off video, as I suggested you also, please don't apologize. Don't apologize for your wrong speakings, for your wrong structure of sentence while speaking English, because we all know that it's not our native language, it's our secondary language, but we are trying to speak like a native. We are just trying. Okay, so we should try, but we should not regret it. Yes, it might sound like confident, but please remember it. Okay, try to improve it every day, which I am also trying to improve, and one day will definitely come when I'll feel proud. Till now I realized it that there is increase in my confidence. Right now, if I talk about my level, the to speak anywhere, whether it is public speaking, either it is in public or with my friends, I don't hesitate. If anyone says, or wherever needed, I start speaking English. So my dear friends, I remember this, that always try to turn over new leaf. This is a idiom which you can keep in your brain. Okay, it means that whenever needed, try to make the changes which needed to become better, or to become to upgrade yourself, you can say like this. Because there we know already a native language, but here we are learning English just to upgrade ourselves. and there is a lot of use of English. I am not going to explain it, we all know. Okay, there are so many contradiction questions also, but avoid those questions because they are actually distractions. In actually the only one point is that we should know English in today's growing world. In this modern world, we should we should know a lot of language, how many as much as possible. So right now I am trying to improve English, not only improve, actually I'm trying to gain the fluency in my English speaking. So actually today's video is not gonna with any purposed video, or I'm not here to share any pre-planned talk with my pre-planned topic. It was my thought, which you can consider it as real talk, which I shared with you. I know there is a lot of there is very less views comes in my video, but I am not going to watch those views or just to stop myself, because I created this channel for myself and to share my progress. If you're interested, then you can watch, otherwise you can go to other channel. There are a lot of, yes, there lot of good channels also. As a beginner you can join me, but if you are quite good speaker, then you can switch to other channel. Okay, if you related with me my journey, if you are relating with my journey, then join my channel. But if you related with my words today, then please like it, or if you are interested. So for today's video, let's stop here, and thank you for watching.